As I said on my last video, I'm gonna show you how to repair the bellows. Now, as you can see, these bellows are damaged. Can you see that? It's all broken. This one, the lid is broken and come off. And hopefully you enjoyed the little film. Thank you. So, next thing I have to do is disconnect these bellows from the side, which is not that much. There's a screw and a pin that holds them. Sometimes they use glue to hold them on, but all the old ones, they had just a pin and a little screw to hold it in place. There's nothing, you can't see anything here. Okay. So as I said before, there's one screw. So a little screw there. Now I need to go around and take the pin off. It's almost out. That's it. So then you disengage. Okay, so you disengage all the wires from there. And you take it off. I don't want to take it off from there, but I just might have to. Okay. Here. There is damage from there, split from there, and this side, and the back, it's all gone. So